What's up, YouTube? Got a little 350 fixing the rod knocking. Cylinder 2. This cylinder right here was the one that was knocking. You see the bearings kind of wore down just a little bit on the piston. But we're gonna get that fixed up real quick. Showing y'all what was the initial problem. There you go, right there. As you can see, I'll wipe that off real quick. There's your problem right there, buddy. It's not supposed to be that wore down that far, which means camshaft is gone. Need to be replaced. Got another one right here from a 350. Small block. It's going in. As you can see right there, you can rub your finger right across it. That's how it's supposed to be. But on this one, as you can see, it's got a groove, and that's what caused the engine to knock. Rubbing on those bearings, wearing that out. This is cylinder 3. This is cylinder 2. See how it was wearing that bearing out right there. We're gonna put new bearings in them. She's gonna run better than ever. Main caps wasn't bad. Put the same ones back in. Going in this bad boy right here, man. That's spare parts too. Spare block, spare engine. Just in case I need any other parts. Parts block right here. But I doubt it. This crank is a little bit more upgraded crank. It's a 400 crank. I really don't want to put this in there. Not yet. But, yeah, that was the problem. That was why the engine was knocking. That right there. As you can see, that could cause your engine to knock real bad. So, got her all apart. Gonna get her put back together pretty soon. Wrap this up. Get her back in the car. Alright, man. Thanks for watching, man. Subscribe. Comment. Leave me a message. Alright, peace.